Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree. Let's take a look to see what they have at their crafter section. Okay, so I'm absolutely loving these stickers. Usually I see them in gold, and there they are in silver. These are so nice. I think I'm going to get them. So these are the lowercase, and then these are the uppercase. I guess they're both, but these are in silver. I already have the gold ones, so those are really nice. So along the top, those look the same, and then you have some stencil. I'm not sure. Okay, these are really nice. So I don't know if you guys have seen these, and I can't reach up that high, so let's see. Then we have these. Those are one of my favorites. Here's some rub-ons. I love the rub-ons. And then here's some stencil, some more of the flexible stencils right here. I like those. I don't have a Cricut, so a lot of these stickers is what I rely on. So one day I'll get one. All right, so these are flexible stencils, and then, okay, so there's some leaves. I can't pull that out. I don't want it to fall. And there's some stars. I'm trying to find some ones that I've seen somebody hauling. Those are the cat paws. All right, what does this one say? Maybe this is new? Hope Rebel, YOLO, and the skateboard right there. You have this one, and then you have this one. So they had some really nice stickers. That one says selfie. And then I can't even get to that one back there. Then you have these are the cactus. And those are really nice. Okay, so this says peace. These pop-up stickers are really pretty. I think these are new. Then you have those. These are also pop-up stickers. Then you have the cactus. Okay. And these are rub-on transfers. Okay. So you have the food. The food ones are so cute. And then you have this one, time to travel. Those are really nice. Those are all pop-ups. Then you have these. The paper crafts. These are very pretty. So I think these are new. I don't think I've seen these before. Those are new, at least to this Dollar Tree. I haven't seen them before. Look at those. How nice. Who cares? Go after your dreams, whatever. Those are new. Those are one of my favorites. Okay, oh, and these are the gold ones I was telling you about. Those are really nice. I have to put these back after I show you. Then they have these. Let me see. So those are one of my favorites. And they have multiple different kind. I just don't want to knock those over. They have that one. They have this princess one. And the stars. Very nice. Planner stickers, and then these are those border stickers are really nice, and then these are the green hearts and the clear ones, and those are the yellow. And I don't think I've seen these. Gemstone design. Then you have some unicorns, some sloths, and those are my owls over there. These are the starbursts, and these are the butterflies. Very nice. This is the store that doesn't have too much wood items. They just got them in. So let me show you what they do have. So they have these photo frames and that unicorn silhouette. The wooden cubes and the clothespins, and the small ones and the medium ones. You can always get the bigger ones over by the laundry section. Here's some crosses, and here's some wooden dowels. These are the letters, and these are the numbers. And these are the chalkboard stands. This is one of the relax signs, and these are so adorable, aren't they? Here's the little bird houses, and these are the craft boxes. So let me just scan what they have. Okay. So what I can see here, these are the paints they have. And the canvas is along the bottom. And then this is the fabric paint. I think these are cool. I got to start working with those. These are the finger paints, Crayola, and these are the acrylic paints. So we come down further. So I don't see anything new, but I'm glad they're restocking. Here's the spray glue, there's the craft glue, and here's the chalkboard paint. I think that's a good buy. These brushes over here are pretty awesome buy. Then you have the sponge brushes. These are the ones that are all the same size, and these are the multi-size. Then you have your palettes and your chalkboard writers. You have your glue sticks. Then down here, some felt. What is this over here? Oh, these are the spray bottles, and these are the applicator ones. Okay, some baker's twine, detailing scissors. So I'm not really seeing too much else that's new. These are always come in handy. These are the jute twine right here, and here are the adhesive cork sheets. There's your floral tape, and then these are your chalkboard stakes. These are your mirror decals, and I'm so happy they stocked up. See, the clear gems are already gone, but they have the blue and then one pack up there of the red. And here you have your marbles and your stones. Some washi tape. There's bunny, a tiger, a bear, the fish. I think those are new. That's from what I could see. And then we have these ribbons. There's some moss sheets. Then they have these styrofoam wreaths, and here's some more succulents, guys. So here they have the 3D wreath form. I kind of like these, and here's the bigger one. So that's the 14-inch up there, and this here is the 10. And then they have two of the small little wreath rings over here. That's a good buy. And then there's your fans, there's your fishbowl vases. Here are the picks. I think these picks are so nice. Okay, and here are the succulents inside the little pots. Tons of those. Some pellets and seashells. Okay, and here you have some planter stickers. So along the top you have the plastic vases, some of the easels right there. These are so pretty. I like those. So nothing new that I see, but I'm glad they stocked up on these fishbowl vases. And these vases right here are so nice. This is the regular cylinder vases, and I'm liking those. And these are the ones shaped like a carafe. Okay, so that's what they have. They have the tall vases, cylinder vases on the bottom, and they're fluted. The square ones here. I know they have two sizes, so at the other Dollar Tree near my home, they had the two sizes of this vase. And they have these, some potpourri. Some of the color vases are coming back. Okay, here we have some floral wire and some glue dots, some fragrance sachet. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to see what they have in this location, and I will see you in the next video.